Alright, so we are going to learn how to do a Google form today. My roommate was talking to me about this and it sounded pretty cool. Never done this before, so we're going to figure it out. You're going to click on Google Drive, just on that option right there, and then click on New, and then click on More, which goes to Google Forms, and then this will show up. You're going to ask a question, or multiple questions, I guess, if you need to. The question I'm going to ask is, do you prefer vanilla or chocolate? And then down here you got your options. So you got option 1 will be vanilla because it came first. Enter. Option 2, chocolate. Option 3 is both. Option 4, neither, because there's those weird people out there. And then when you're done with that, this is the multiple choice section. You're going to come up and click send, and then you can email it to somebody. Just kind of, you could just type in the email address and then the subject, and then there you go, you send it. Or right here is a link. You can shorten this if you want to, or you can just copy the whole thing. Then you can put it on a Facebook or your Google Plus, Twitter, over here. So I'm not exactly sure what that is, but what I always see is just through Facebook or Twitter. So just copy that, and then you are good to go.